Today, I am going to tell you a fable. A fable is a short story about animals. Normally, it's a story about animals. And today, the story that I'm going to tell is titled The Frog and the Scorpion. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today we are talking about a frog who was very nice. And one day, the frog, was sitting next to a river. He was next to a river. A big river. And the frog was relaxed and happy. He was looking for flies to eat. Because frogs, they eat flies. And then a scorpion was walking next to the river. And the scorpion saw the frog. The scorpion came up to the frog, and he said, "Hello, I want to go across the river. I want to cross to the other side. Can you, Mr. Frog, help me? Can you help me, please?" The frog, he was scared of the scorpion because scorpions are very dangerous. The frog, who is very nice, he said, "No, no." The scorpion asked, "Why? Why not? Please help me. Let me ride on your back across the river because you, Mr. Frog, can swim. You are a good swimmer. I cannot swim. Please." The frog said no, because scorpions are not nice like me, and you will sting me. You will sting me with your stinger on your tail, and I will die. The scorpion said, "I promise I won't. If I sting you and use the poison in my tail, I will also die because I can't swim, and I will drown. I will drown underwater. I can't swim, and I will die." The frog, he thought, the frog, he was very nice. And finally, he said, okay, I will take you across the river. So the scorpion got on the frog's back. He was on the frog's back. And the frog began to swim. When they were in the middle of the river, the scorpion stung the frog. He stung the frog on the back. The frog cried, "Ow! Why? Why would you sting me? Now we're both going to die." And the scorpion said, "It's in my nature. I am a scorpion, and scorpions sting other animals." The frog trusted the scorpion, but it's in the scorpion's nature. It's what scorpions do. They sting. And the scorpion, he could not help it. He had to sting. This fable is about trust versus the nature of animals. What do you think? Do you think people and animals can't help but act according to their nature? Or should we trust each other more? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching more videos of comprehensible input right here with English on autopilot. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye.